bullshit! It was all lies!
You see, to me, lies are love. And I suppose that in my own way, I thought I was expressing love. I'm sorry. This is probably the end for me. Also, I gotta tell you,